Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today is Easter Sunday and he has risen. Our Lord Jesus has risen, and thank God for him. Thank God. If it wasn't for him, we would not be here today. None of us would be standing here today. So let's give thanks to him that he allows us to be here today. So without further ado, guys, I will be making some chicken breast today. Oven baked chicken breast. It's going to be buttered oven baked chicken breast. Please continue watching everyone to see how I make this delicious meal. Okay, thanks. So guys, in this bowl I have 4 chicken breasts which I've cleaned and washed thoroughly in vinegar, and I've pat dry to take out some of the water. So now I'm going to add my seasoning. So here I'm going to add some ginger. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Going to be spicy. Oops. Ouch. And about 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to drizzle some oil over chicken, and now I'm going to rub my seasoning in and set aside in my refrigerator until it's time to cook. I'm going to have it marinate for maybe about an hour. Okay guys, wrapping it with some saran wrap and place it in my fridge. So I'm ready to cook. 2 eggs in this bowl, and I remove the white stuff from it, and I'm going to beat this slightly. I have 1 cup of breadcrumb, coarse breadcrumb. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Just going to combine the mixture. I have a 9x13 baking dish. I'm going to spray it with my palm. Just to get it coated with palm spray. So now I'm going to dip my chicken breast in the egg, coat it, and then I'm going to dip it in my breadcrumb. I'm going to place them place it in the baking dish. Cut in 1 cup of unsalted butter into cubes, and I'm going to add that to my chicken. And now I'm going to place the butter on top of my chicken pieces. And I'm going to be placing it in the oven to bake until it's golden brown, maybe about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. At a preheated oven of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Here it is. This is my buttered baked oven baked chicken, ready for the oven. Placing the chicken in the oven, uncovered. Setting my timer for 35 minutes. And here's the finished product, my buttered oven baked chicken breast. Added some parsley on top. This is flake parsley, but you can use fresh parsley. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.